Come for the Menda accountability and
solidarity. Oh yeah, we are going to have
We the staff of Machakos University are wondering what went wrong that now we are told the 28 million that we left in the management to pay us can only be utilized for 3 months. Now today we count our members and we are here to stress that what we want is the usage of about 28 million, period.
Yes.
We do not want that money is not there. We want the money that is already in the university accounts.
Yes.
That is the 28 million.
Yes.
That is what we want, so that it is divided amongst the staff and that every staff's salary is enhanced according to the agreement, according to the ILO.
because the government capitation is not enough. There is a small deficit. We agreed before the government brings forth the balance of 2.2 million, we can utilize the surplus of 28 million until it is exhausted. So based on the deficit, that 28 million is supposed to cover close to 15 months. But now the management are saying the money has been exhausted in just 3 months. So that is the bone of contention.